So all of you, welcome to the lesson number 32 for grade 2 mathematics, and we completed yesterday page number 52, and we learned about multiplying two-digit numbers without two-digit numbers by a single digit without regrouping. So what we learned that whenever we are having two-digit number and we are multiplying by a single digit, so what we have to do, we have to multiply the ones first, like 21 multiplied by 4 here. Ones are 1 and 4, so I multiply the ones first. 4 multiplied by 1 equals to 4. Then I will multiply this ones value to the tens. 4 into 2, that will become 8. So for that you should know the tables like 414 and 428. We did too many examples for practice yesterday, right? And I'm just revising. It's what I need to do. I need to multiply first the ones. 2 into 3, that is 6. Then 2 into 4, that is 8. This is tens. Then I will multiply. First I multiply ones by ones. 2 into 3 is 6. Then I will multiply ones by tens. That is 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 2, or 3 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, both equals to 6. Then the value on the tens is 4. So I multiply 2 by 4. The result is 8. 2 multiplied by 4, or I can check 4 table also. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Check the B question. Here I also need to multiply the ones value first, which is 3 and 3. So 3 table I need to read up to 3 times. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, and 3 3 9. Then I'll read 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. And that way we have to complete all the questions. The question number 2 was left, which we did not finish yesterday, and that we are going to finish now. Twinkle has 2 plates with the jellies on each plate. Twinkle has 2 plates with 10 jellies on each plate. Jimbo has 5 plates with 10 jellies on each plate. Who has more jellies? We have to write. Let's talk about Twinkle. Twinkle is having 2 plates and 1 plate. 2 plates mean 2 groups, and every group is having 10 jellies. So if you want to find out how many total jellies Twinkle is having, so you multiply it by 10. Why? Because in one plate there are 10 jellies. Either you can plus 10, 10 and 10. 10 in one plate, 10 in another plate. So 10 plus 10, 20. Okay? Or you can write 2 multiplied by 10 or 10 multiplied by 2, because there are 2 plates and in one plate there are 10 jellies. Now for Jimbo. Jimbo has 5 plates with 10 jellies. Jimbo is having 5 plates, and every plate is having 10 jellies. 5 multiplied by 10 equals to, you know it. I taught you, whenever you multiply any number by 10, just write the number and on the right side add 0. Add 0. So Jimbo is having 50 jellies in total, and Twinkle is having total 20 jellies. So who has more jellies? The answer will be yes. I will take answer from you. Who has more jellies, guys? Twinkle or Jimbo? The answer is Jimbo. Why? Because Twinkle is having 20 jellies and Jimbo is having 50 jellies. Twinkle was having 2 plates with 10 jellies, so I multiply 2 by 10 in order to find out how many total jellies Twinkle is having. So that is 20. And Jimbo is having 5 plates and every plate is having 10 jellies. So either I can add 10 plus 10, 10, either I can add 10 5 times, or I can multiply 10 by 5. So the answer is Jimbo, because Jim 50 is greater than 20. So I will write here Jimbo. Okay. Coming to the page number 53 now. Before starting multiplying three-digit numbers without regrouping, I will again do one example for multiplying two-digit number without regrouping. This is 2, this is 1, multiply by 3. Yes. So these are the two numbers. We have to multiply this two-digit by this one digit. This two-digit we have to multiply it by 3. So I multiply ones first. So on the ones position there is 3 and there is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to, guys, 3 multiplied by 1 equals to these two numbers. I should write here 3. Then I will multiply this ones by these tens. 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to, guys, 6. The answer is 63. The answer is this was revision for yesterday lesson. Today we are going to start a topic that is multiplying three-digit number by a single digit, and that will be also without regrouping. Now you have to multiply three digits. This means in this question you are having 1 and 2 digit values. Now you are going to have three values, ones, tens, and hundreds, like this. This is 212 multiplied by 3. So I will write example for you here. Hundreds, tens, and ones. This is hundreds, tens, and ones. On 100 there is a value 2. Then on tens there is value 1. And on ones there is value 2. You have to multiply by 3. This is the actually answer. I'm making it a little bigger. Yes. So 2 multiplied by this is 212 multiplied by 3. So guys, in these type of questions where you're having three digits, you don't need to worry. This is same as question, same as multiplying two-digit number. First you will multiply once these two numbers. What you will do, you follow the same procedure. First you multiply these two numbers, or first you multiply the both ones. 3 multiplied by 2 and you write the answer in the ones. Then you multiply 3 by tens, this ones by this tenth, and you write answer here. Then you multiply this ones by hundreds and you write answer here. In that way you have to do. Again I am repeating how you have to do. You will multiply ones first, 3 and 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. You write 6 here. Then you multiply this 1 to the tenths. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. Then you will multiply this ones to the hundreds. 3 multiplied by 2 and you write in the hundreds column. So again I am repeating what you have to do, how you have to multiply. You have to multiply the ones first. So on the ones there is 3 and there is 2. So guys, 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. If you don't know the table of 3, I can show you the table. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Check here. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 and 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. So 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Okay. So I will write here 6. Now I multiplied these two ones. Now I need to multiply this 3, this ones by this 10. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to, yes guys, 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to Some students are saying 3 and I can hear some voices they are saying 1. Why 1? We learned the multiplication property that whenever you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number in the answer. If you multiply 2 by 1, you will get 2. 3 by 1, you will get 3. 4 by 1, you will get 4. So 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. Okay. Now it's time to multiply this 3 by this 2, which is on 100 place. This once by the 100 place. So 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to, yes guys, 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to, in that way nobody can answer. I need to ask one by one. I need to ask one by one. I will ask one by one. Ashraf Abdul Baki.
Yes, sir.
3 multiplied by 2 is equals to,
What?
3 multiplied by 2 is equals to, yes?
No.
What no? 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to what? Tell me the answer. 3 multiplied by 2. Check in the table here. 3 multiplied by 2.
6.
The answer is 6. Why are you taking that much time?
6.
Guys, you should know the table. Otherwise, it will be a problem for you to solve these questions. So when we multiply 212 to 300 to 212 to 3, we get the answer 636. Okay. When you multiply 3-digit number by a single digit, so we have to multiply the ones first, 3 and 2. Then I will multiply ones with the tens. 3 multiplied by 1 gives me 3. Then I will multiply this ones by hundreds. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. In that way, we have to solve it. Okay. Now come to the example and help me to solve these examples. Find the product of the given numbers. I told you that when you multiply it, this number is known as product. So if the question asks you to find the product, that's mean you have multiply these numbers and find the answers. So this is 1, 1 and 1. Triple 1 multiply by 5. 111 multiply by 5. Okay. We have to multiply 111 by 5. So I will ask one by one to all of you or some of the students. This is WW. Yes, WW. Can you hear me? Yes, WW. 5 I need to multiply this. I will multiply ones first. 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to, multiply these two numbers, 5 and 1. WW, yes.
5.
5. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So we know that whenever we are multiplying, we multiply ones first. On the ones position, there's 5 and 1. Now I need to multiply ones by tens. Yes, Suleiman, I need to multiply ones and tens. Tell me the two numbers which I need to multiply. Yes?
5.
5, because I am multiplying this 5 by this 1. This 5 by this 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 equals to also 5. Very good. I'll take one more string now. SA. Yes, SA. Can you hear me? SA. Can you hear me? SA. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I need to multiply again ones by hundreds now. Tell me the answer. Yes. Multiply ones by the hundreds. Multiply the ones with the hundreds. Why you close your mic? Rafiq, can you hear me? Rafiq. 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 Omar Shahir. Omar Shahir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Now I need to multiply this once by hundreds. Again 5 and 1. The answer will be 5 multiplied by 1.
1.
5 multiplied by 1 is equals to
5 multiply 1 equals 5.
5. Very good. So the answer is 5, 5 and 5. It is triple 5. The answer is 5, 5 and 5. So write the answer on the first practice question. That is 5, 5 and 5. This is 5, 5 and 5. This is the answer.
555.
555. Now for the question number 2, guys. Question number 2 is 232 multiplied by 3. So on 100 it is 2. On the tens it is 3. And on the ones it is 2. And we have to multiply it by 3. We have to multiply it by 3. So we will multiply the ones first, then we will multiply this 3 to this tens, 3 into 3. Then we will multiply this 3 by 2. So I will ask you one by one. Nadia Muhammad. Yes, who is this guy with the name of Nadia Muhammad? Can you hear me? Manthar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, please tell me. I need to multiply ones first. What should I write here?
What?
What number should I write here? 2, 4,
Yes.
1. Yes. What number should I write here?
1.
Why 1? I need to multiply this 3 by this 2. This 3 to this 2. I need to multiply these ones. Then I will write answer here. Multiply 3 by 2. Yes. If you don't know the table, you can check from here. 3 multiplied by 2.
I'll check.
Check here. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to. This is 2 multiplied by 3.
6.
6. So the answer is
6.
I write 6 here. Now I need to multiply this 3 by tens. Now I need to multiply this 3 by tens. Muhammad Farooq.
Yes, sir.
I need to multiply the tens. 3 and 3. What number should I write here?
What? 3 by 3? 9.
9. Very good. Very good. Now, what number should I write here? Muhammad Farooq, what number should I write here? I think it closed his mouth. Muhammad Asad. Muhammad Asad, can you hear me? Muhammad Asad, can you hear me? Tell me, what number should I write here? 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to? Yes, this 3 and this 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to? Muhammad Asad, can you hear me? Muhammad Asad, can you hear me? I can hear you hardly. Muhammad Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to? I need to multiply these two numbers.
6.
6. The answer is 696. So I will write here 696. 696. We are going to do one more practice question. Again, I am repeating how we multiplied. I multiplied the ones first, 3 into 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Then I multiply this 3 to this tens. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And then I multiply this 3 by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. The answer is 696. For C, 221 multiplied by 4. On 102, on tens 2, on ones it is 1. And we have to multiply it by 4. Saud, Saud Al Amir.
Yes, sir.
What number should I write here?
4 multiplied by 1. 4.
Very good, very good. I should write here 4 because 4 multiplied by 1 equals to 4. Very good, Saud. Okay, I'll take one more student. Yes, Muhammad Hitam. Muhammad Hitam. Muhammad Hitam, please open your mic also. Ilyas, open your mic. Yes, Ilyas. What number? What number should I write here in the answer of tens?
8.
Okay, 8. Why 8?
4
Yes.
multiplied by 2.
Very good, Ilyas. Because 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. Very good. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. Okay, I'll take one more student. Ayan. Ayan,
Yes.
what number should I write
Yes,
here?
sir.
What number should I write here?
8.
8. Why
8.
8?
Because 4 is there.
Yes.
4 multiplied by 2 is 8.
Very good. Because 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. You are multiplying this once by this 100. Here 2, here 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. So the answer is 884. 884. So write 884 here. Now we are going to write the question number 4, that is D part. 859. On 100 it is 8. On tens it is 5. And on ones it is 9. And that is multiplied by 1. So easy. It is so easy. Very easy. It is very easy. Amjad Muhammad. What number should I write here?
9.
9. Why? Yes.
9 multiplied by 1 equals 9.
Very good. Because 9 multiplied by 1 equals 9. Very good, Amjad. Very good. Adam.
Yes, sir.
What number should I write here in the tens answer?
5.
Why 5?
Because 1 multiply 5 is equal 5.
Very good. Because 1 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Very good. Very good. Okay. Abdul Aziz Muhammad.
Yes,
What number should I write here?
in
In the
which 5 multiply 1.
no, in the answer of 100 here. Where you can see my cursor? This. Before 5.
8
8.
become
Why?
8
Why?
because 1 become the same answer.
Yes, because 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Very good. Very good. So the answer is 859. When you multiply 859 by 1, so you will get same answer. 859. Okay. Now, one question for practice we will do by ourselves. 4, 1, 3. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 3. This is for practice. 313 multiplied by 3. 313 multiplied by 3. Sharif, 3 multiplied by 3. What number should I write here?
Yes, sir.
What number should I write here?
3 multiply by 3.
Yes.
Not 3 or 3 because it's not good. Yeah, no good. Okay. The 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9.
9. Very good. The answer is 9. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to.
And 3 multiplied.
Very good. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Very good. Now, Ali Nizar. Yes, Ali Nizar. What number should I write here on the tens answer? 3. Why 3?
Because 3 multiply 1 equals 3.
Because 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. Very good. Very good. Okay. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Yes, sir.
What number should I write here in the answer?
6.
6. Why?
Because 3 multiply 2 equals 6.
Very good. Because 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Very good. One more question for practice. 2, 1, 3 multiplied by now 2.
Mama, al isme ujabo bet.
Now it is 2. Okay. I will take one more student. Muhammad Shams. Muhammad Shams. Muhammad Sami. Mashari. Majid Awad. Guys, open your mic, please. Miraj. Miraj. Khalid. Hello? Khalid, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, Khalid. Who is this guy? Khalid. What number should I write here in the ones? Yes.
6.
Why?
Because 3 and 2 because and it's 6.
Very good. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Now close your mic. Ahmad Yusuf.
What's it?
What number should I write here?
Where?
In the tens answer.
In the tense, sir?
Yes.
2.
Why?
2 multiplied by 1 equals 2.
Yes, because 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. Very good, very good. Close your mic now. Amal. Amal. Anas. Anas.
Yes.
Yes, Amal.
What's that?
What number should I write here in the hundreds? Yes.
4.
What number should I write here in the hundreds? Multiply this 2 by this 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to
4.
4. The answer is 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Very good, guys. This is the end of our today's lecture.